Scorpio, this is your mid-month, mid-July reading for July 2021. So I'll be pulling out an overarching message for you for July 2021, and then we'll get into the tarot reading. So without much delay, let's get started. This is a general reading, will not resonate with all Scorpios out there. So yeah, chaos and conflict. So this is your overarching message. Perhaps number 33 is very important for you this month. Let's get into the tarot reading. So the tarot reading will capture your recent past energies, your current energy, and somewhat capture also the coming future. That is for July. Okay. So your in your recent past, let's get 3 cards for your recent past. The World. So this is your recent past. Now your current energies. The Two of Wands. The Two of Wands. This is your current energy. And what's coming towards you? The Two of Pentacles. Alright, so there are two cards in here. One is the Two of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles is in the future. And the bottom of the deck we have the Empress. Alright, so let's get clarifiers. So why is the world card over here? So I think probably the world for you changed in the recent past. So there was a revelation made to you, and this probably changed how you view things, or there was a lot of happenings in your career, your personal life, etc., which could have changed your perception or the way you view the world. But let's get clarifiers. The Page of Pentacles. So this was a new learning for you, and a new beginning, which led to a new beginning, and it could have been something that helped you grow. Okay, you must have been preparing for a new growth phase, and and an escape from past hurt, etc. Let's get one more card over here. Why is the World card over here? The Chariot. See, so you're moving away from a cycle. Okay, this movement is towards a new beginning, and you've been working hard for it, Scorpio. Let's get and explain one more card. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. So this was Nine of Wands is probably when you were hurt and you were defending something, you were fighting off false beliefs, limiting beliefs, and you have managed to move away from what was not meant to be, and your world definitely has changed in the recent past for the better. Now you're in the Two of Wands energy, wherein you have all the resources. You're looking forward to expanding your business, or what lies ahead of you. Maybe your travel is in the offing. Okay, and it's growth phase for you. But let's get clarifiers. You're also choosing between 2 career paths, one which is probably a traditional one, and the other which probably requires a lot of learning. But yeah, Five of Pentacles. So you have a feeling of you have a feeling that if you leave something behind, probably you could be facing some sort of a lack. The Five of Cups again. So 5 and 5, a lot of change. So in the current energy, I think you're facing a dilemma of whether to leave something behind. You are probably also envisaging some kind of breakup with something. You're ending something, which could lead to feelings of desperation or abandonment. And from this, you could be kind of waiting for a reprieve from this in terms of an expansion. Let's get one more card. Why is the Two of Wands? You're choosing between two pathways, okay, and death. So this is your card, Scorpio. You're going through a lot of transformation at the moment, and from the Five of Cups energy, Five of Pentacles energy, to the world. Sorry, the world is actually in your past. So the world was changing, transforming, and you were knowing it. You were expecting this change. Now you're going through it, and what is coming towards you is the Two of Pentacles. So basically, a lot of balancing act between something. So the chaos and conflict card possibly could indicate this transformative change that you're going through at the moment. Scorpios are always at the receiving end, but this is something which you can transform into pain. The pain is transformed into something more constructive most of the time. But let's see why the Two of Pentacles is here. The Two of Pentacles for Scorpio, mid-month July 2021. The Ten of Swords. So something obviously is coming to an end, or has come to an end. And Ten of Swords also indicates new beginnings, because something which stabbed you in the back, something which left you in the cold, is about to transform itself into something more beautiful. So each time you feel the Ten of Swords energy, something is actually blooming in the background. The Hierophant. So a committed relationship possibly, or some committed partnership possibly, is coming to an end, or already has come to an end. Let's get one more card. The Hierophant also indicates that you are moving towards a more balanced and structured environment wherein you will be able to bloom, okay? Justice. So justice is finally, or justice is being meted out to you. Hierophant along with the Justice is powerful combination. Here, see Two of Pentacles at the end of the deck. So definitely you're trying to balance between this ending and the new beginning, okay? And the transition, the chaos and the conflict that resulted from this ending is also being mitigated by the Justice card, which means that you are being divinely guided and you're on your way to become the Empress. Okay, so it's the same story, you would say, that you're going through a sort of cyclical change, and which leads to an expansion phase and the ending of something painful. This is the usual story for Scorpio, but this time what happens is that it's something that it indicates a lot of evolvement. The Chariot here also indicates that you are moving away from what has hurt you in the past. So in all possibility, the justice which is being delivered to you is permanent, and hopefully you need not go back to whatever pain that you had been being pushed through. But let's get one more card over here. An overall message. Why is the chaos and conflict card over here? The Hermit. So possibly you're required to Wheel of Fortune. So cycles are changing, fortunes are changing, and you're coming towards more fruitful relationships with people who are bound to make you feel valued. And it's going to be whatever balancing act that you were doing, or you're required to do, will be towards this new beginning, in the sense that you will be, the Two of Pentacles often indicates a successful carrying forward of life, which is filled with, it's always filled with upsets and peaks and valleys, but you are somebody who will definitely successfully carry this forward to something more beautiful. Okay, So your growth and your spiritual expansion and your success in meeting somebody who will make you feel valued is what is predicted over here, mid-month July 2021. I hope this resonates with you. Let's see why the chaos and conflict card is here. Number 33. So this is a disarray card. So being at cross purposes with one another, the tension of opposites and the value of chaos before order. So chaos is basically something that happens just before order is restored, just before justice is restored. So opposing forces come together to create a turbulent atmosphere for you, but consider the value of chaos that serves you well as you become unmoved by it, unmoved. So don't lose your anchor as in, don't lose yourselves. Okay, scattered to the winds, you have left behind the parts of yourself that you no longer need, and disperse seeds to reinvent yourself anew. So it also throws light on the fact that don't stick to what has been pulling you back. Leave the past behind, and it's a constant state of evolvement. Okay, Scorpio. So I hope this resonates with you and that you take it in the right spirit. So I think good things are coming forward to you with the Empress card at the back over here, and you're going to meet better fortune in future. Okay, so I'll see you around for the August reading. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for joining me once again.